Now we will write code for block exchange. In the previous program we have done block transfer. Now we will do block exchange. So before that, this block transfer program, I will first of all stop debugging and then I will go for new project. So new, give some name, save. Now choose HTML. So from HTML we want '89651. Okay, this is no. Now new file. So new, start writing. So this is block exchange from 40H between, make it between 40H to and 50H. So these are the two locations from which we are going to swap or exchange rather. Make it org 0h, then sjump main, then org 30h, then we will make main step. So first of all, address pointer, move R0 40H, move R1 50H. So these are the source and destination. I will not call here source and destination. These are just the two memory locations from where 5 numbers are stored, starting addresses of 2 memory blocks we will call. Then let us save counter. So let it be in R2 register. Five numbers we will take. We will store them one by one, and this exchange mechanism we will repeat. So first of all, move a comma R0, then from 40H, first of all we will take the number, then we will use exchange instruction. So what this exchange instruction is doing, it is going to exchange the contents from whatever we have written in front of that between two registers, comma, memory and register, or whatever we are writing there. So exchange accumulator contents with the address pointed by R1, and the next exchange now accumulator contents with R0. Increment R0, increment R1, decrement counter. Suppose what is that? R2, comma, up, and repeat until R2 becomes 0. End. Very simple logic. See here what this exchange instruction is doing. Say for example, at the rate R0 we have written. So R0 is pointing to 40. Now suppose at 40 first number is there. So that number is copied into accumulator. Exchange instruction, what it will do? accumulator is containing number from 40H block, that number will get exchanged with the number present at the address pointed by R1. So what is the meaning? R1 is pointing to 50H. So contents of R1 location. So 50H, whatever number is present at the rate is indicating that address location. So whatever data is present there, that will be copied into accumulator, and whatever in accumulator was taken from the previous instruction, that is first number from 40H or data from 40H in general, I will make a comment. So that particular number is copied into R1. So after these two instructions, what is the effect? Number from R0 address is copied to accumulator, and that number is now copied to R1 address, and whatever is in R1 address, now that is copied into accumulator. And here what will happen? From accumulator, that is the number copied from R1, now will get transferred to R0, that is the address pointed by R0 register, and whatever is in R0, now that is copied into accumulator. Increment, increment. So this way it will go on. Very simple. So we'll make here some just comments. This is pointer, address pointer to memory block 1, and here it is address pointer to memory block 2, that is 40H, and here it is 50H. Okay, then here initialize counter of 5, copy number from location pointed by R0, then here what is happening? Exchange contents of accumulator with contents from address pointed by R1, and then is here Here I will just write the explanation there itself. Next, contents of address R0 pointed by R0 exchange with accumulator. Just delete it and we'll make it home. Okay, decrement counter and then proceed. Till it becomes 0. Fine. Here I will make accumulator. So this is over. Now see here, 40H R0 point address, R1 to 50H, R2 is containing counter. Exchange operation will take place. First of all, R0, whatever, wherever it is pointing to that, from that address, that is from 40, the number is copied into accumulator. Then it is exchanged with contents of location pointed by R1, and then again contents of accumulator are exchanged with location pointed by R0. Increment both the address pointers and proceed. That's it. Here it is. Just I will make one more. Increment address pointers. Fine. We'll make it safe. So block exchange .asm save, copy it into the source group, right click, add file. So here we will take block exchange .asm, add, close this window, go to source group, block exchange, and first of all rebuild. 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now what we'll do, this debug, we want to give the numbers. So first of all at D colon, make it OK. Now from 40 I will give the numbers, right click, say for example 1, OK. Then second location, so I will make it for example 2, OK. Then third location I will make it say 3, OK. Then fourth location, so we'll make it 4. Okay. Oh, sorry, here I want to make, now this is 4. Okay, and here I will go modify, then 5. Just see, 1 2 3 4 5 I have given from 40 address onwards, 5 locations. Then here I will make say 2 1. Okay, but okay, I will not confuse you. Better is to give some simple small numbers. I will give 1 1, so that is 11. Okay, then this is 1 2, that is C, hexadecimal numbers, no? So therefore it is giving you like that. Then it is 1 3, so this is D. Then next it is 1 4. Okay, hexadecimally it is E, and here I will give 1 5, so hexadecimally it is F. Fine. Now we will do the single stepping. Very keenly observe contents. So first one, main R0 40H address pointer, then 50H, then the counter. You can see here R0 40, R1 50, counter is in R2, that is 5. Then single stepping, then exchange. Now first of all, first number from R0 is taken. It is in the accumulator. This is our move instruction. Then single stepping. So how the exchange will take place, just see. The accumulator is containing 0B, that is from our address, and just in between just see, unless it goes to the next one, here you can see 50 location contents 01. So B is in the temporarily in the accumulator, and 50 is containing this exchange, that is contents of R0, that number is copied into R1 address. Now just do the single stepping next, and now there will be exchange. So whatever was at 50, now that is in at 40, and whatever was at 40, now that is in 50. So like that, and it goes on. Next increment 41, next increment 51, next, that is counter is decremented, next again it will go back. This yellow arrow also you observe how the loop continues, so that also you have to learn. So next one, next number 0C is copied, observe the accumulator contents, next observe the accumulator contents, next once again increment, so that is copied. Next one, next iteration, so incremented, counter is decremented, it goes, then accumulator content, then next once again 0D, then it comes to the 40 address pointer incremented location, then next again next location 43 53, so number is taken, first number, then copied into accumulator, then it is exchanged, then address pointer incremented, address pointer incremented, R0 and R1 both. Next address 44 and 54, so last one number, then it is goes, counter is decremented, that 05 number from 40 address, that is 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So it is coming, you can see, and then it goes 0F. So there is exchange. Here you can observe. So 01 was earlier here, now it is here. 2, 3 exchange, 4 exchange, 5 exchange. Finish. Now the counter has become, just see, 0. So over. Now the yellow pointer you see, that is coming to, here you can see S jump. Loop is over. That's it. Finish. Got it? This is block exchange. Whatever was the block from 40 to 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, that is now from 50, 51, 52, 53 to 54, and whatever was from 50 to 54, now that has been transferred to 40 to 44. So this is our block exchange. Got it? Very straightforward. Block exchange and block transfer, these are one of very conventional kind of say requirements as far as data transfer is considered, and useful also. Thank you.